Let's talk about learning styles. When you're working with children and young adults, it is so important to know how they're going to retain knowledge, especially in the context of sports ministry. Let's look at this for example. When you're doing a soccer header, you should use the soft spot of your head to really engage the ball. I could probably teach this in a better way. Aha! Actually, take a look at this. One more time now. Let's all try now. You know what? We can even do it one step better.
Let me now teach you how to do a soccer header. Ready?
As a coach, teacher, or leader, when you're planning a session, it's best to assume that there are going to be individuals present with all the different learning styles. People who like to hear, people who like to see, and people who need to do. So make sure you involve all of this. And that is how you teach effectively.